Let's compute the variance of the uniform. So we have a uniform between a and b, which is density 1 over b minus a, for x between a and b, and we already computed the expectation is b plus a divided by 2. Now we're going to use the fact that we know that we can write the variance of x as the expectation of x squared minus expectation squared of x, which we have just calculated. So what we just need is the expectation of x squared, which is just the usual formula for the expectation. We're going to have the integral between a and b of x squared times the density of x dx. This is the integral between a and b, x squared times 1 over b minus a dx. This is the integral between a and b of 1 over b minus a can come out of the integral x squared dx. Here you have to remember what the integral of x squared dx is, which is x cubed divided by 3 evaluated because we have partial integral between b and a. So what do we have? 1 over b minus a times b cubed divided by 3 minus a cubed divided by 3. Let's rewrite it nicely. 1 over 3 times b minus a at the denominator, and here I have b cubed minus a cubed. Now if you wanted to simplify even more, which will be useful, you have to remember that b cubed minus a cubed is equal to b minus a times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And you can verify that that's the case. So I have b minus a times a squared plus ab plus b squared divided by 3 times b minus a, and this simplifies. So I have that e of x squared is a squared plus ab plus b squared divided by 3. Now let's compute the variance. The variance of x is this, a squared plus ab plus b squared divided by plus 3 minus the expectation of x squared, so b plus a squared. So I have a squared plus ab plus b squared divided by 3 minus b plus a squared divided by 4. Now we just have to simplify all this. I have common denominator is going to be 12. I have 4 times a squared plus ab plus b squared minus 3 times this square, which I'm just going to develop. So it's going to be b squared plus a squared plus 2ab. So I have 4a squared plus 4ab plus 4b squared minus 3b squared minus 3a squared minus 6ab, all divided by 12. So a few calculations, we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab divided by 12, but this is nothing else than a minus b squared divided by 12. So for a uniform, I have that the expectation of x is b plus a divided by 2, and the variance of x is a minus b squared divided by 12.